Never throw away bottle caps because today I'm going to show you a very simple way to reuse them. To get started, grab 3 plastic bottle caps that are the same size. It's best if they all match so the final result looks neat and uniform. Next, place them on a stable surface with the open side facing up. Now take a sharp utility knife and make 2 small parallel cuts, leaving just a few millimeters of space between them. Next, repeat the exact same process in a direction perpendicular to the first slot. Work slowly and carefully to prevent the knife from slipping or the openings from becoming larger than necessary. Then use the same knife to carefully cut and remove the small piece of plastic between those 2 cuts until you create a narrow slot. Once you finish the first cap, repeat the exact same procedure with the other 2. Try to keep the slots in approximately the same position and make them a similar size. Next, cut 3 small pieces of double-sided tape. Each piece should fit on the back of a bottle cap without extending past the edges. Stick 1 piece onto each cap and press it firmly for a few seconds so it bonds well to the plastic. Try to cover as much of the surface as possible because the more area that makes contact with the tape, the stronger the hold will be. Before continuing, choose a smooth, sturdy surface that is easy to reach. Clean it thoroughly to remove any dust, grease, or moisture, since these can weaken the adhesive. Now peel off the protective backing from each piece of tape and stick the 3 bottle caps next to each other, leaving a small space between them. Press each one firmly for several seconds. What you've just created is a key holder using plastic you are probably going to throw away. Simply take the metal key ring and insert it into one of the slots you just created. The opening allows the ring to slide inside and become secured in the cap, while the plastic surrounding it helps keep it firmly in place. And just like that, with 3 bottle caps you probably would have thrown away, you've created a practical, homemade wall-mounted key holder. You can place it near your front door to organize several sets of keys, find them quickly whenever you're heading out, and avoid wasting time searching for them around the house.